How to send money from Steam wallet to friend. Steam does not allow direct transfers of fund from one Steam wallet to another. However, you can send money to a friend by purchasing a digital gift card through Steam. So here is how to do it. First of all, open the Steam. So go to any web browser and go to the Steam and make sure you are logged in. Now once inside the Steam, you can see Steam gift card option available at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the section of Steam gift cards, digital gift cards or gift cards. You can choose any according to your preferences. So here I'm choosing the digital gift cards. So tap on it. Now here you'll get to see the list of gift card option available for $5, $10, $25, $50 and $100. Choose a gift card denomination and simply tap on it. Here I'm choosing one. Now all you have to do is select a friend from your Steam friends list. They must have been on your friend list for at least 3 days. Optionally include a personal message and follow the prompts to finalize the purchase. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.